Right, this is the rim that... So this is a rim that Ryan damaged at Curtin. Right, this is rim that Ryan damaged at Curtin. Yeah, tyre's absolutely fine, so we just need to knock this back out. Big hammer.
Brand new?
Bit more.
It's not really brand new, is it? I think you've gone too far, mate.
Right, it's Saturday. I'm working, doing a bit of 3D scanning in the TT race car. George is coming on his day off, and he's got the Yeti on the ramp. It's a nice day, so I think we're going to do a bit of laning later on. Just jacked it up to have a bit of an inspection. It's not been looked at since Curtin. I'll walk you through. Damage is not too bad, to be honest. Mainly on the side, we need to sort something for these under trays. Main concern is fuel tanks. No big marks on them at the moment, but I don't want to get one caught on a rock and lose a load of diesel, especially while it's 160 a litre. Steel under tray. Not taken much of a beating, to be honest. This is not ideal. I'll rip that off. But suspension wise, CVs, everything seems reasonable. Obviously we'll give it a thorough check, but it's just a quick one for you guys. You can see the drive shaft is rubbing on the anti-roll bar bush retainer. It's at full droop, don't forget, but we probably are going to experience full droop when we're out in this. We are planning to remove the roll bars and do a before and after. While we're on the subject of removing the roll bars and testing how much more droop we get, we're potentially going to look at power flex bushes, obviously front anti-roll bar removal as well. We're going to try and test something out with a forklift so we can get measurements before and after. But if there's anything else you want us to test out, or if you've got any suggestions, let us know and we'll see what we can do. We've also noticed that when Rye went through that 1 foot of water splashed up, very close to coming to the inlet, so we're going to do something. Potentially got a snorkel that'll fit on.
So as Rob said, we're going to try out a few lanes today. It's nice weather. We've also got a few errands to run. We've got a customer over in Manchester. He's bought 20 caddy kits off us. We're going to send them on a pallet, but we thought why not just deliver them ourselves. So we've loaded back at Yeti up. Got all the fittings, all the plates, everything else in the back, and got some more bits to go in. Got just a little Alpha tool set as well, just in case we need all. And then in front, got an overkill tow rope. I've got some walking boots in case we end up breaking down. I've got to walk to the nearest road. So yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a good day. No, you can't do that, man. Look at it.
Can't get down to the bottom.
up.
You need to let it have it.
Wow, I'm driving off road, mate, aren't I?
You need to get a bit of momentum and absolutely let it go.
I'm stressed out, mate. I can't do it.
Maybe try and keep up to right. Keep up along there. Go on, go on, go on.
Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on.
You're gonna have to send it.
I can't do it.
You can't be scared to send it.
I'm shit.
Why?
Fuck's sake, man.
Whoa! Turn her off. Give it 2 minutes.
Alright, what?
A little bit heavy on clutch.
So we've got to contend with here. I'm not feeling confident, but Rob is. Got a bit of smoke coming, but a little big smell, lot of smell, and we've still got a long way to go. We've got all the way up there to go yet. We're just letting it cool off. Change of footwear because my trainers weren't holding up. You ready, Baz? We're nearly at the top.
Go for it.
I can't drive, you can. Send it. I didn't drive at all. I drove first 30 seconds and I get in. I'm terrible at driving. So it's one of them, innit?
This lane's a little bit more entry level, so we've got George behind wheel.
My first green lane didn't go too well, did it? But my second's not too bad.
Can't quite get a grasp of how steep this hill is, but hill descent's working perfectly.
More feet. Oh man, that was a bit up.
No, don't touch it. Oh, George bottled it on hill descent.
I did bottle it. I bottled it on that one. Now,
Manual control now.
Oh no, that's not what you want, that is it? Right, we'll go back with all this in there. Oh, I think I'm going to bottle it again. Yeah, I bottled it again.
Sounds like we've picked up an exhaust rattle.
Oh, it does it with clutch dips. Not touching a thing.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Let it go a bit then. Maybe it goes slower with the clutch dips.
Alright, this is a bad doing it. So we've just come to end of another lane. I think it's the end of the ones that we've just been doing. Just been down that bit, pretty tame that one. We're going to show a look, see if we can find out else before we head back to Darkside HQ.